In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Studio for recording Google Meet. Whether you're aiming to capture an important business meeting, classroom discussion, or just about any other virtual interaction on Google Meet, recording it with OBS Studio can be an efficient and straightforward process. Let's dive into it, shall we? First things first, you'll need to get OBS Studio installed on your computer. If you haven't done so yet, head over to the official OBS website to download and install the latest version. OBS Studio is packed with powerful features that make it ideal for recording, but getting the right version ensures you have access to all the latest improvements and features. Installation is typically quick, and once it's done, we'll be ready to proceed. Next, let's set the foundation for our recording by setting up what OBS calls scenes and sources. A scene is essentially a collection of sources. These could be anything from your display screen, a webcam, or other visual inputs you want to capture. For this specific purpose, you'll be adding a source that captures your display, specifically where your Google Meet is happening. This alignment ensures that every visual element from your meeting screen is recorded in crisp detail. With your scenes and sources ready, it's time to transition to Google Meet. Open it up and prepare for your meeting as you usually would. A crucial step here is to select the OBS virtual camera as your camera input. This setting enables OBS to seamlessly integrate with Google Meet, allowing it to capture video content directly through its interface. Once you've chosen OBS Virtual Camera, it's time to launch the virtual camera on OBS Studio. This feature acts like a bridge between your computer's physical camera and the digital space that your meeting inhabits, essentially mimicking a real camera but through OBS. With everything set, go ahead and start your Google Meet call or meeting. Make sure everything is running smoothly with your audio and video settings before proceeding. When you're ready to start recording, head back to OBS Studio and hit the Start Recording button. OBS will now capture everything you present in your meeting seamlessly. After your meeting concludes, simply click Stop Recording in OBS Studio. The software automatically saves your recorded file in a designated folder on your computer. By default, you'll usually find your recordings in the Videos folder, but you can adjust these settings to suit your organizational preferences. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully captured a Google Meet session with OBS Studio. This powerful tool not only captures your meetings with high quality, but it also allows for easy customization, ensuring that your recordings meet your professional or personal needs. Thank you for joining me today, and happy recording.